Have you ever wondered why Tom never truly catches Jerry in the show? The truth is much sadder than it looks. Tom knows that if he ever caught Jerry, his owners might think he doesn't need to be around anymore and replace him with another cat. For Tom, that would mean losing the only home he's ever had. So every chase, every fight, it's not really a fight at all. It's Tom's way of making sure Jerry stays alive, and Jerry's way of making sure Tom never gets thrown out. Deep down, they were never enemies. They were all each other had. If you love Tom and Jerry, like this video, follow, and comment your favorite character. Sometimes you even see Tom risking himself to save Jerry from real danger, or Jerry helping Tom avoid trouble with their owners. Every prank, every escape, every tiny act of mischief, it's them quietly protecting each other. Maybe that's why the show is called Tom and Jerry, not Tom versus Jerry. Because behind all the laughter and chaos, the saddest truth is that they were best friends all along, pretending to fight so they could survive together.